Hello everybody. Hello classmates and tutor Henry Carvajal. Nice to meet you. I am a student of this course English Conversation, and I weigh the more experienced with English. My full name is Mabel Yalitza Cardona Paz, and this is the first activity. The document is very important. After reading the document, I did believe that learning a language spoken is the best result of the study of it. No matter the models or technical to follow, the more important thing is that we reach a level of proficiency is spoken as native people in this language. Ways to achieve to level domain. I like the contact with native speakers that I think is the most effective way to practice. In the documents, I add other ways. For example, the diagnostic evaluation that will allow me to advance step by step. A work plan in practice or daily road. The publication forum with participation of the entire course. And speakers have a group through social networks. I consider that the following is very important for the new experience with English and English conversation. Thank you for this course and first activity. Goodbye.